My name is Jairo Herrera. I've been working in all metals 13 years. I like to work in all metals because there's a place I can grow up like as a professional and as a person too. It's a great opportunity for me. I always got a new challenge, a new part, something new that it challenged me to be better every day. I work in from Amadas, that's the name of the, and Trump. I operate and program in the Trump Band Center and the panel bender Trump. My best memory is when I learned that I can run the robot, and when I realized I can do it. That was a really something big for me. I never thought I was gonna do something like that in my life. I think we go to the right place with our metal. It's going to be big. It seems like we're doing the right stuff to grow up as a company, and I'm really proud to be here. The new machines and the way they manage the company, the people, we feel happy to be part of all metals.